I am Chef Munir El Hilali, co-owner of Crepes Parfait, and today we're cooking corn stuffed zucchini. We need 2 zucchini, small piece of red pepper, 1 egg, 1 ear of corn, a handful of cilantro, 1 small shallot, 2 garlic cloves, and of course some salt and fresh ground black pepper. In a large pot of boiling water, cook the zucchini for 8 minutes. It's just until soft on the outside. Take them out of the water and place them in a bowl. They should be a little soft to the touch. Set them aside. Meanwhile, shuck the corn kernels. Chop the shallot. Smash and chop the garlic. Chop the bell pepper. Chop the cilantro. In a saute pan, add about 1 tablespoon cooking oil. Add the garlic. On medium heat, fry a little bit. Then add the shallots. Then add the red pepper. Fry a little bit. Then add the corn. Mix very well. Fry a little bit. Saute until the corn is cooked through and it changes color. It looks a little more opaque in color. Place it in a bowl and mix in the cilantro. Using a small spoon, scoop out the inside of the zucchini. Crack the egg and separate the egg white. Then add it to the corn. Add some salt, fresh ground black pepper, and mix it very well. Arrange the zucchini halves on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and fill them with the corn mix. Rub your finger in a little bit of oil and brush the sides of the zucchini. Then bake them at 400 degrees. After 25 minutes, it's ready. And there it is, corn stuffed zucchini. Enjoy. Bon appetit. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, because there's more coming.